Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PDF viewing in mobile apps with React Native PDF step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have a React Native development environment set up. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. If you haven't already created a React Native project, you can do so by typing npx React Native and it your project name. Once your project is ready, navigate into your project folder by typing cd your project name. Now, it's time to install the React Native PDF library. In your terminal, type npm install React Native PDF. Next, open your project in your preferred editor. Locate the file where you want to integrate the PDF viewer. Import the React Native PDF component at the top of your file by adding import PDF from React Native PDF. Now, let's prepare the PDF source. You can use a local file or a remote URL. For a local file, place your PDF in the Assets directory. If you're using a remote URL, keep that link handy for later. Next, set up your component structure. Write a functional component using const your component equals. Inside your component, add a state variable if needed to handle the PDF file. To render the PDF, use the PDF/tag. For the source prop, set it to your local file or the remote URL. Example, for a local file, it should look like this: source equals URI bundle assets / yourfile.pdf cache true. For a remote file, it would be source equals URI https://yourdomain.com/yourfile.pdf cache true. Next, specify the style for the PDF viewer to fill the screen. Wrap the PDF/component with a view and set the style to flex 1. For the PDF component, include properties such as style equals flex 1 to properly size it. You might also want to handle loading and error states. Provide an onLoadComplete function to handle when the PDF loads successfully. Add onError to show any error messages if the PDF fails to load. Now, save your changes in the file. Return to your terminal and run your application by typing npx React Native run Android or npx React Native run iOS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.